Hi everyone, welcome to Reader's World. Today, let's read the book Peanut Butter and Jelly by Nadine Bernard Westcott. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. First, you take the dough and knead it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Pop it in the oven and bake it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Then you take a knife and slice it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Then you take the peanuts and crack them. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Put them on the floor and mash them. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Then you take a knife and spread it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Next, you take some grapes and squash them. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Glop it on the bread and smear it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Then you take the sandwich and eat it. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. Peanut butter, jelly, jelly. The end. If you like the story, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to Reader's World. Have an awesome day.